In this video, we will show you how to import bookmark from Google Chrome to Mozilla Firefox browser. In here, my Mozilla Firefox browser has default bookmark. And in my works with Google Chrome, I have many bookmark here. You can see there is many folder that contain bookmark. And if we want to import this bookmark into Mozilla Firefox web browser, it's very easy because Mozilla Firefox now support to import directly from another web browser. How to do that? First, we can open our Mozilla Firefox and choose this menu and select bookmark and select manage bookmarks. After that, select the import and backup here and select import data from another web browser. You must using newest version of Mozilla Firefox to doing this. Now we can select from web browser we want to import the bookmark. This is available all of our web browser, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome. I'm select Google Chrome because I already works with Google Chrome and save bookmark on there. Then I can click import. Now you can see here all of the bookmark now has been applied into Mozilla Firefox. Now we can works with faster because the bookmark already saved also on Firefox web browser. Hope this video helpful for you.